Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the error unable to connect to Nvidia on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Windows Start button over here. You can right click and then select Device Manager, or you can left click and look for Device Manager. Alright, so over here I want you to click on Display Adapters, double click on it. Then right click on Nvidia, go to Properties, select Driver, click on Update Driver over here, and then search automatically for drivers. Now let Windows update any drivers if necessary. Just go through the prompts, and once done, you can now close everything. And we need to go to your Nvidia application, all right? So type in Nvidia app, select that. Then we need to make sure that you have the up-to-date and the latest version of the driver. So over here, you should be able to click on install if you haven't installed this application yet, or it will show in here, update your driver, depending on how you use your PC. So for hardcore gamers, game ready. For a balance of work plus gaming, Studio Driver is your best option. If you don't have this yet, you could just simply go to your favorite browser, Nvidia app. You can download this. Just click on download and you should be good to go. And after following all of these steps, you can reboot your PC. And once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working normally as ever. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.